Hi guys, Engineer Arpan nga pala. For this video, basic math muna. We will try to find the least common denominator. So, bago po kayo pumasok sa topic na to, mga estudyante po natin dyan, make sure po na nabasa o nakabisado nyo po ang multiplication table. So, saan po makikita yan? Meron po sa internet, pero commonly, meron yan sa mga likod ng mga notebook nyo na nabibili sa mga market. Okay? Sa mga bookstore or school supplies. Basta mathematics notebook, meron po dyan sa likod. Okay? So, before you proceed here, try to read them. Okay? So, example number 1. So, we have 3 and 5. Okay? All you have to do is to lay the multiples of both numbers until makakuha ka ng parehong number or same numbers na pinakamababa ang value. I mean, pinakamababang magkaparehong number sa mga multiples sila. Okay? Kasi nga list. So, smallest. Okay? So, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So, hanapin natin ang list. Ang pinakamababang magkapareho nila, no? So, 63, walang kapareha. 6, 9, 12, walang kapareha. 15, may kapareha, meron. So, since ito yung pinakamababang magkapareha, ito ang kanyang LCD. Okay? Okay? So, ito sagot natin for number 1. Number 2. 5 and 6. For multiples of 5, pwede natin gamitin to. Kasi multiples of 5 yan. So, all we need to do is to lay the multiples of 6. So, ano ang multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So, ano ang pinakamababang magkaparehas? So, 5, 10, 15. So, ito, 30. Yan ang pinakamababang magkaparehas niya. So, meaning LCD for 5 and 6 is 30. Okay, number 3. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay? So, multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay? Multiple of 7. So, 7, 14. So, actually, nakuha na natin, no? 14. Ayun siya. Yung list na magkapareha. So, di natin ko continue to, ha? Ayun yan. So, meaning LCD for 2 and 7 is 14. Number 4. No, 8 and 12. Okay? So, layin natin ang multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. Okay? So, multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36. So, actually, lumabas na yung parehas nila. So, 24 is the LCD for 8 and 12. Okay? Gets nyo? So, number 5. 5 and 10. Okay, multiples of 5. Again, ito. So, 10. Multiples of 10. 10, 20. Actually, nakuha na natin yung 10. So, dito siya, multiples of 5 to. Ito. So, LCD. So, number 1 ha. Ito yung multiples of 5. Nalay na rin natin. So, pinaka mababang magkapareho nila is 10. So, meaning LCD for 5 and 10 is LCD for 5 and 10 is 10. Okay? So, I hope na may natutunan kayo for this video. Like I said, bago kayo kumuha ng LCD or sa topic na to, make sure na nabasa o nakabisado nyo ang multiplication table para mabilis nyo lang makukuha itong LCD. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit subscribe button for more videos in the future regarding mathematics and engineering topics. So again, this is Engineer Alfred. Nagpapasalamat and have a good day.